Alright guys, today we are taking a look at the WE Knives Bullit. It's an interesting flipper frame lock designed from WE. It's got a nice shape to it. Overall length is 8 1/4 of an inch. Blade length 3.5 inches of S35 VN steel, and it's, well, what I would call a sheep's foot blade. Really nice shape there. Frame lock, nice jimping on the flipper. Tab, very good. 4 3/4 of an inch for the handles. And here's a size comparison next to a tactical clothespin. And the overall weight is 4.65 ounces, and it's got this really nice pocket clip for right-handed carry in the tip-up configuration. And it's nice because it has this roller ball on the end that just slides super easily in and out of your pocket. So I call that a plus. Now, I haven't seen WE do this on any of their knives, and I don't know of any production knives that have done this so far. I know that custom makers have used this, though. And it is a very nice feature. Guys, you have the gray titanium handled version. You can get it bronze with the blue accents. Actually, they all have blue accents, but that one does look really nice. Or you could get the blue handled version. And they all look pretty darn good if you ask me. So guys, go ahead and buy this knife at BladeHQ.com. This is the WE Knives Bullit.